Hey babe, welcome to the Christian Bae TV. As you guys see from the title, today we're getting ready to go to the Miami Balloon Museum. So I decided to do like a little get ready with me. I'm trying to be consistent, y'all. I'm trying, okay? So I decided to do a get ready with me. I was gonna film my makeup routine. I wish I would have, because I went brighter under eye and it almost feels like a full glam, and I haven't did a full glam in months, honestly. But I didn't film my makeup because I have like a slight headache, but I said I'm not gonna let that stop me from getting this content. So I just sat down and did my makeup. I ain't feel like plugging up a ring light or nothing like that. So yeah, this is the beat. But if you guys want to see how I filmed this makeup routine, just leave me a comment and I will make a separate video just showing you guys this individual makeup routine, because I think I actually like it. I usually don't go this bright under eye, y'all know that. But anyways, all of the products are going to be linked below, tagged in my LTK. As for the outfit, y'all, okay, I got another dilemma. I don't want to, okay, so my hair, I'm taking my hair out tomorrow after church because y'all know I'm natural. So the whole leave out thing, it gives me a run for my money, and I got rained on. So it's kind of like, you know, so in order for it to be silky, flat, looking good, I would have had to wash it because there's product in it. And I don't want to wash it because I'm taking it out tomorrow. So I chose an outfit. I'm looking in the mirror. I chose an outfit that has a hat, but I could wear the outfit without the hat. But I really want to wear a hat. That way I don't have to do the top of my head, and I could just put some curls in the bottom and go. It is 5 o'clock right now. I need to leave the house at 5:30 to try to be to my best friend's house at 6, because we made an appointment for 7 for the Balloon Museum, and it's like an hour away. So it's 5 o'clock. I got like 30 minutes to get dressed and get my life together. So let's do it. I'm about to show y'all the outfit, and let's just pray that it works out. All right, y'all. So this is the hat. I bought this hat like 2 years ago, never wore it. I'm thinking about wearing this hat with this shirt. Okay, I'm trying to make it like girly but still chic and streetwear. And then I was torn between these two jeans, these Fashion Nova jeans or these Abercrombie and Fitch jeans. I think I'm gonna do the darker ones because of the hat. So can y'all see me? So I'm about to try it on with these jeans and the hat, and then this pink purse. This is so chaotic. This pink purse to complement the hat. So everything is based around a hat, and then the shirt just really adds a little to it. So let's just see how it comes out. All right, so this is what we got. So this is the hat with the shirt, and then these are the jeans. They're super high waist, and I don't know if you guys can see, they go all the way to the ground. I'm gonna insert the TikTok when I do my OOTD. But my mom said the hat looked crazy with the shirt, but I feel like the sneakers balance it all out. If I were to put on a white shirt with these jeans and this sneaker and this hat, it would be fine, especially with the pink purse. Hold on. Right? But instead of going basic and putting on a white shirt, we just got on a white ruffle shirt. Yeah. I like it. I don't know if y'all like it, but I like it, so I'm gonna wear it. So this is the purse, and these are the sneakers. Now, I haven't seen it with the sneakers on. Let me put them on and then we're gonna see. Hold on. All right, so we got the sneakers on. I'm not absolutely crazy about the sneakers, but I feel like they'll do for tonight. Like I said, it's a museum, so I can't wear heels. Now, for the bracelet, which bracelet do y'all like? This one? I think this one. So yeah, now I'm just putting on accessories because it's literally 5:20. Can y'all see me? See? YouTube be making you late for stuff. It's literally 5:20 and I have to go. I'm putting on 2 pair of earrings at the same time. Definitely, hold on. I'm definitely gonna put on some Tom Ford, of course. Get a little body glitter so we can shine. Let's put on some Love Don't Be Shy. And our earring. All right, y'all, I got the AC blowing, but we're in the car. It is 5:37. I made the TikTok. I did get to make my videos in the garage. Hold on. All right, we're in the car. I got the AC blowing, y'all. It's 92 degrees in Florida. Like, it's OD. But it's 5:37. We're in the car. It says I'm going to get to my best friend's house at 6 o'clock, which our time slot is 7. So hopefully it only takes us an hour to get there. I did not get to make me some TikToks before I left the house because I was talking to y'all, but it's okay. I'm gonna just make them tonight when I get back. But yeah, I I'm satisfied with how the look came out. Y'all can't see me because it's hot. Why is my blinker still on? I'm satisfied with how the look came out. Y'all probably can't. It's so okay. Anyways, I'm satisfied with how the look came out. Of course, I'm not gonna be driving on the camera. That's probably all the rambling that I'm gonna do in this episode. The next, why are you backing up? You gotta go forward, sweetie. The next clips that you guys are gonna see, I will be at the balloon museum. And yeah, I'm gonna, hopefully they let me bring my camera in. I brought my, y'all could fit in my purse. So I'm gonna try to sneak y'all in, but I don't know if you can record in there. But if not, I'm definitely gonna get some footage on my phone, and then I'll just insert it. And I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I get home. Oh, that was my turn. All right, y'all. Bye. Guys, so now we're in Chelsea's car. She just ran in to get her earrings because she forgot them. I convinced, I'll tell y'all when she get in the car, but I love how the makeup came out, even though I kind of rushed it. Like, I didn't show y'all my makeup because I told y'all I had a slight headache. It's kind of going away now, but it needs to be a study or some type of study behind why does your makeup come out perfectly when you're rushing it. Like, that's okay. I feel that's crazy. So much better. Hi! Chelsea's here. I convinced her to drive because 45 minutes here and 45 minutes there. Get somebody else to do it. Like, it's get somebody else to do it. So I convinced her to drive. I ain't gonna show y'all where she lived, but I parked my car. But we are headed there now. It's 6:17, and the rest of this, I'm not talking no more.
You always finesse me to drive in all the years that we have been friends.
See y'all at the museum. Mind you, it's crazy because me hoping she don't stop me with the camera.
Right. Yeah, she said follow the yellow. Every time I was looking at the tickets.
It is. Interactive.
Just gonna go in the center.
Oh, you can't push it. Oh. He said, nah.
Oh, sweet.
Right, I'm sweet it. Oops, my bad. Okay, Chelsea, you gotta go first. I got the camera, I can't run it. I go.
What?
I will go. I ain't scared. One thing about me, I'm gonna go through a maze. See? Welcome to Florida. All this ducking. Oh, what's this way? Oh, it's a dead end? Okay.
Right?
Yeah, hop on. It's about to fall.
Take two.
It's pretty good.
That was kind of hard.
Okay, Beyonce in the building.
Yes.
You said what?
I said, dang, I am getting big. Look at my legs. Like,
Not look at my legs. It's that season. What you gonna do for Big Mama for real? What do I get for my birthday?
smelled them girls.
Big bag.
I pray you're enjoying the museum. Zero.
Is over. Please continue to follow the exhibition route.
Guys, please exit in the back here, please. Please exit in the back here, guys. Thank you.
Oh wow, my man picked me up. Okay. Give you a little tussle. I know how you girls like to tussle. Y'all, I'm back home with my hair in a claw clip. Tired, about to get in the shower because we have church in the morning. Good night. I love y'all.